The successor of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan to the throne was Aurangzeb. The Bibi ka Maqbara is a tomb located in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. The Mughal Empire consisted of 12 subhas at the time of Aurangzeb's death. Max number of books in Persian on Indian language written by reign of Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb reimposed jizya and premium tax in 1679. Manusi, an Italian traveler, visited India during the reign of Aurangzeb. An attempt was made to demolish the Kailash temple of Ellora by Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb assumed the title of Alamgir. Dilras Banu Begum, was also known as Rabiat ul Dawrani. The memorial of Aurangzeb's wife Dilras Banu Begum is Bibi ka Maqbara. Mughal ruler Aurangzeb died in 1707. The last powerful Mughal ruler of India was Aurangzeb. Bijapur was annexed by Aurangzeb in 1686. Moti Masjid Delhi was built during the reign of Aurangzeb. Dara Shikoh was defeated by Aurangzeb in the Battle of Devrai 1659. Tariq-e-Dilkusha is retained by Bhim Sen. Aurangzeb, also known as Alamgir. Badshahi Masjid in Lahore was built by Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb ruled the Mughal Empire during the reign of 1658 to 1707. Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb was known as Jindapir. Battle of Samburgarh 1658 for Shah Jahan's throne was won by Aurangzeb by defeating Dara Shikoh. Bijapur was annexed by Aurangzeb in 1686. Aurangzeb had depleted the military and financial resources in empire by fighting along Bar in Deccan. Bibi ka Maqbara is a famous historical monument situated in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Bibi ka Maqbara was commissioned in 1660 by Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. Bibi ka Maqbara, the burial place of Aurangzeb's wife Rabia ud Damani, is located in Maharashtra. Bijapur and Golconda were annexed by Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. Fatwa al-Alamgiri, a digest of Muslim laws, were written during the period of Aurangzeb. Mughal Empire reached its greatest extent during Aurangzeb. The first ruler who fought against British was Aurangzeb. The fort of Golconda was seized by Aurangzeb in 1687 during the reign of Abul Hasan Qutub Shah.